In this video, we want to draw a line given a point and the slope of a line. This video is actually a precursor to the next video that we discuss about perpendicular lines. So let's assume we have a point here and we are given a slope of m. M could be 0, positive, or negative. And we want to draw a line that passes through this point. We want to draw a line that passes through this point and has the slope of the m. To do so, we move first horizontally, then vertically. Horizontally, we can move either right or left. So we use right. So we go to the right. Let's assume a units. So because it's to the right, so we consider it as positive. So a is positive. Then m, then we multiply a by m. So a, m. A is positive, m either positive or negative or 0. So let's assume if it's 0, so am, we don't move. So this is the line. We just sketch this line. And this would be the line. If m is positive, then am is positive. So we go upward. How much? Am much. And if we m is negative, then we go down. Am, we go down. So with the amplitude, magnitude of am. So let's assume m is positive, and this is am. Now, this point, we connect this point to the given point, and that is the line. So, but we should confirm the two given things. So one, that we wanted that the line passes through the point. It passes through the point. And we wanted that the line has the slope of the given slope, which is m. Let's do it. So if we go from, if you refer to the video of a slope, which is the previous video, if we go from one point to another point, two arbitrary points on the line, in this case this point and this point, then the slope of line is the change in the y-axis or vertical direction, divided here, the change in vertical direction is am, divided to the change in the horizontal direction, here is a. So am divided by a is m. Therefore, this one is also checked. So both of them are checked. So which means this is the line that passes through the point, and it has the slope of m. Now let's do two numerical examples. Let's assume, for example, the given point is, say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, so it's 2, 1. This is the given point. And let's assume that the slope is, m is given as 3. So we said that we can choose any value for a, but here, since m is a whole number, it's easier that we just use 1 unit. So a is, we consider as a, we can use anything, but the simplest thing is 1 in this case because it's whole number. So then we go 1 unit to the right, so this is 1 unit, then 1 multiplied by m is just 3. So we go 3 units upwards because it's positive. We go upward. If it was m was -3, then we should have gone 3 units down. Now we go 3 units up. This is, let's say, 1 unit, 2 unit, and 3 unit. So this is 3. Then we connect this point to this point. And this is a line with a slope of 3 that passes through this point, 2, 1. Now let's do another example with negative slope. Let's assume, for example, this time, let's say 1, 2, 3, let's say 3, 4, and 1, for example. So it's 4, 1. We want to go through 4, 1. This is a point, and let's assume the slope is negative 3 to 2. This is our slope, the given a slope. So here, as we said, we can go, we said we always go to the right. That's easier for us, but how much we go, we can go as much as we want, but it doesn't matter. But here, because we finally multiply a by m, it's better that we work with whole numbers. So if we use 2 for a, then 2 by 3 over 2, the 2 will the 2 in the denominator and the 2 that we multiply by it, they will cancel and we get negative 3. So it's better that we go by we choose 2. So 1 unit, 2 unit. So this is 2 to the right. Then 2 multiplied by m is 2 multiplied by negative 3 to 2, which is this 2 and this 2 cancels. It becomes negative 3. So which means that we should go 3 units, because it is negative, we should go 3 units down. So this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, and this is 3 unit. So therefore, the line, the desired line, is this line, which has the slope of negative 3. So now let's check whether so it passes through the point that we wanted, and its a slope is, if we go from this point to this point, the slope is the change in vertical axis divided to the change in horizontal axis. The change in vertical axis is negative 3. The change in horizontal axis is 2. So negative 3 divided by 2 is negative 3 over 2. So the slope of line is negative 3 to 2.